Hi Sanjana, how are you?
Yes, I'm fine. Thank you. What about you, ma'am?
I'm doing pretty well. Good to see your happy face.
Oh, thank you so much. Yeah, I'm meeting with you. That's why I'm feeling happy because it's
Oh,
since a long time I was trying to connect with you, so that's why.
yeah, I know. I really apologize for being late in response because I got already so many sessions there. I have to finish that session, and plus because I work 5 days, so it's very hard for me to catch up everything. So I really
Yes.
apologize for that.
No need to apologize. Yes, it's no need. Yeah, I can
Mhm.
understand everything. Yes.
Yeah. So tell me, how has your day been?
Yes, my day is being good. Yes, nothing is special, but
Okay.
yes. Yeah, today I'm going to my brother's house. Yes.
Yeah, it means it's going to be special for you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Does he live around you?
Yes, he lives around 30 kilometer. Yeah.
30 kilometer away from you. Okay, that's great. Good to know. Okay, so
Yes.
what you going to do there then?
We are just meeting together or just have fun.
He's only your sibling or you have more siblings?
I have four siblings, like two
Four
brothers.
siblings.
I have yes,
Uh-huh.
two brothers and two sisters also, and I'm one is five, including me five.
Five. Okay, you are very blessed. So you have sisters, you have brothers. That is
Yes.
great.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. I would like to know more about you. Would you like to introduce yourself?
Yes, sure. So, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Yes, so my name is Sanjana and I'm living in Delhi. I'm blessed with two children. And if I talk about my qualifications, so I'm graduate. And in these days, I'm very passionate about to learn English language. So that's why I'm practicing my communication skills with my co-learners. And simultaneously, I created my YouTube channel to maintain my consistency. Yes, that's all about me.
Good to know about yourself. It is good that you have been working for your English and you are developing your skills and you have decided to have a YouTube channel. By having YouTube channel, you can have more practice, you can upload your video and after over time you can see yourself how much you are improving. So you can compare. Yes.
Yes. Ma'am, I also
Oh,
want to know about something you little bit if you
yes.
want.
Yes, yeah, why not? As you know, my name is Hema. I was born and raised in India, Delhi. Basically, I'm from Uttarakhand. After getting married, I came to Australia. So I have been living in Australia for the last 16 years. My qualifications include a post graduation degree in Hindi honors, which I have done from Delhi universities. And I also have a bachelor degree, which I have done in Australia, Bachelor of Education. Therefore, I have been working as a teacher here. So, by profession, I'm a teacher as well as I am an English trainer on one of the international platforms called Preply. As you know already, I have a channel on YouTube which is the Art of Speaking English. So, that is all about me.
Wow, lovely to know you are doing all the things and very graceful to know. Yes.
Really, I feel myself I'm doing nothing.
No, you feel like if we doing something from ourselves, so we feel no, we are not doing anything. But if some people they watch you and yes, if they knowing you, so they feel like yes, you are doing very good thing.
Because my bucket
Yes.
list is very big and I am never satisfied with my performance. Yes. Thank you so much for appreciating. And yeah, I also appreciate your work, like the way you are learning and you are developing. This is great.
Yes. Yeah. So, ma'am, you are an English trainer. So, let me know some tips you can tell me that how we can improve our English.
Yes, as you know, I'm sure you are aware about English has a four aspects: reading, writing, speaking, and writing. So I'm not going to discuss any more about those areas because you are very well aware of that. But I would like to mention here some subtle things which usually people they ignore. Like if you are listening, you need to use right listening technique. Okay,
Yes.
listen mindfully. If you like some of the lectures or some of the conversations, you need to make sure you listen to those lecture or those conversation a couple of times. So when you will listen to those lectures couple of times, what will happen? It will fix in your memory. So while talking in English, while you're having conversation with someone else, those words automatically will come out from your mouth. Okay, because
Yes.
we have minds, yes, that is conscious, and we also have subconscious mind. Sometimes we don't know we are doing something, thinking, oh, I'm not good at doing that things. But when situation come, when we do that things, we say, how come I'm doing this thing? I don't know, I don't have any idea because I haven't practiced for those things. But because you have been listening to lectures, so it will help you to develop your vocabulary, boost your confidence. So you do that one. And also, if you find some sentences or couple of words useful, you make sure you write down, make a journal. So you need to be very wise. You need not to just choose very difficult or advanced words. If you are at the beginner level, you need to make sure the word you are choosing that is useful for you. That word you
Yes.
can use in your daily conversation. Okay.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So start
Right,
from
ma'am.
the beginning. Start from the
Yes.
beginning. And also start thinking in English. This is very, very important. And not even thinking in English, you need to make sure that you speak out loud, okay, while you're by yourself. You need not to have
Yes.
any partner for speaking English. When you are by yourself at home, you are working something, you can talk to yourself. That way you will think and simultaneously you will speak. So it will give you double practice. Thinking
Yes.
practice
Right.
and speaking practice. Like I'm talking to you, right now. So back in my mind, if you're not there, I will say, oh, look at my room. I think I need to just clean my room. Maybe I'll do it tomorrow. But need not to think in my mind. I need to speak those sentences out loud.
Out
Okay,
loud.
it will
Yes.
give, yeah, it will give my tongue practice to speak in English.
Right, right. So, ma'am, here I want to one question more because you said that start thinking in English. So, Hindi is our mother tongue, right? So, first, who is starting to learn this language, so they can think first. They can start Hindi, or after that they can translate in English, which is good.
Don't do this mistake, please. Everyone doing this mistake. That's why they are not good at English. Even though they're putting their lots of efforts, lots of endeavors, they are dedicating their time. Still, they say, okay, it's been 1 year, it's been 2 years, it's been so many years, but still, I'm not able to speak in English well. Yeah, so that
Yeah.
is the reason. Don't translate. Okay,
Okay.
it is not really recommended because
Okay.
English is a different language. English has a different expression, and Hindi is a different language. If you have some other mother tongue, other language, that language has a different expression, different
Yes.
thing. You cannot compare. Okay, I can understand at the beginning level when you are looking word meaning, you need to find out. Okay, this is the word in my language. And this is the word we can say in English. But don't translate while you thinking in your mind. You don't say, okay, I have to go to my brother house. मैं अपने भाई के घर जा रही हूँ. मैं का मतलब आई और जा रही हूँ का मतलब जा. Don't think like that. Okay, you need to just say whatever coming in your mind. Okay, you need
Hmm.
to just say that word. You need not to think, you need to listen, you need to consume English content. First of all, you need to make sure that you speak at your convenient place, at your
Mhm.
home, or wherever you feel convenient. You can talk with your family, you can talk to your children if you have children. Yes, and even they're not able to talk in English, they don't understand, you can talk to yourself. You be yourself, do whatever you are doing, and just think in English. Okay,
Yes.
like you are going to your brother house, then you think, I'm going to his house. What do I need to take for him? Does he like fruit? Does he like apple? No, he used to like kaju katri. Do I take kaju katri for it? Oh, too much money. I can't afford this. I'm just telling you, normal conversation, daily words you need to use in your language if you really want to enhance your English speaking skills. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
you need to
Yes.
give your mouth practice. You know, if your mouth has no practice, you won't be able to speak those words, even though you know those words very well. You know how to use it, even. But the time you will speak, you find yourself, you are not able to express, you're not able to use those words. How much we know English, we just speak 50% of that. Why? Some just speak 10%, some just 20%, 30%. Yes, some can speak 90% or 100% because of practice.
Yes, because of practice. Everything
Because
possible when we do practice.
it doesn't mean people just think, okay, practice. So I'm doing practice. Why I'm not developing? But there is a right technique. Even you are
Yes.
doing practice, like I am a trainer. So if I teach someone, like if I teach you, what I will do, first of all, I will develop my relationship with you. Okay. I will make you comfortable. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I need to make you comfortable in the way you will approach to me and say, ma'am, I'm not good at this. You feel
Yes.
not shy. Oh, madam, we say, I don't know even these things. You won't feel shy. So I make you comfortable. Then I will see, okay, what is your learning style? Okay. I need to see which one is your weak point.
Yes.
Okay.
And what is
So
our level?
yeah, go to your level. And then I need to make my plan, study plan, my curriculum. Okay. I'm going to teach Sanjana this way because she learned that way. Okay.
Okay.
So I will make, and then I'll say, okay, Sanjana, when she speaks, what she does, she makes mistakes. She is not good and she need to develop and her vocabulary when she express, she need to develop vocabulary because she uses those words in her daily conversation. Okay,
Yeah.
people they use some couple of words. They have pet words. They
Yeah.
usually use those words. So I see, okay, which one are your pet words? So I need to work on that. I need to make sure I just give you some more word related to that, and you don't feel burdened. You don't think, okay, I'm doing something extra. You feel like I'm doing that fun way. I'm learning, and it's really fun, like play
Yes.
way. Yeah, through play you will say, oh, I'm learning, I'm not putting my extra efforts, I'm able to manage everything. So you need to do like this. So there are some techniques you cannot underestimate. Okay, some people learn and develop fast. Why? Because they know those techniques.
Yes. Right. Right, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay, so you need to identify your learning style. While talking to yourself, you will find out, okay, I'm making this sentence. You can think, how can I make this sentence better way? Okay, then
Okay.
you will remember, okay, I need to use that word. Yes. So I will use that word and this is better. So you will
Yeah.
have
Right.
plenty of time. When you just do this practice more often, what will happen? You will find yourself, you are very confident and you are able to speak that word very frequently. And you will find yourself, yes, now you are learning and you are developing. And when you feel like, yes, you are learning, this technique is working for you, then you will put you more efforts and you will say, yes, I'm now learning, I'm developing, so how I can take this to next level.
Yeah. Right. Yes. And you are saying like this now. So I like your passion and your I like your style. I can say because you are talking very good way.
Thank you so much. I still feel myself I'm not comfortable because I'm sitting in my bedroom at this moment. I need to clean so many things. Because yesterday I went to the professional development session. So I left my home 8 o'clock in the morning. I came home after 6 p.m. And I was
Okay.
so tired. So it was not at my workplace, it was far away from my house.
So you felt
So
very tired.
I felt very tired yesterday. So today I'm relaxing. So I have to catch up so many things.
And also, I want to ask one question that this time you are an English trainer and you are a teacher currently. So, what was your dream when you were child? So, what was
When
your
I was
dream? Um,
when I was a kid, I used to think that I will do something great because I used to participate in lots of dramas and songs and acting. So I was very famous at that time. And my junior, they would tell me, Hema, you will become very famous one day and this and that. But after getting married, you know what happened then? We have to focus on our family, our children, our career, and all these things. We have to make sure we manage very well. I forgot. I had the dream I will help society. I will help people who are really in need. I will help them. So now my children, they have grown up, and I thought, okay, I have time. I can just dedicate some of my time to connect with people, and I can see beautiful faces, beautiful personalities. I take the energy, I will give them my energy. So that way we are reciprocating, we are sharing ideas, and we're listening to each other. So yeah, that was my dream.
Okay, so you want to ask any question from me, so you can.
You can say something if you want me to give you feedback. You say some sentences, you need to say something. Then I will be able to identify which area you are lacking, which area you need to develop. Okay.
Yeah.
If you would, if you have time, it's up to you. If you don't have time, we can connect later in the future.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, actually, I have to go now.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
do understand you are getting late. Someone is there next to you. Yeah. Okay, Sanjana, enjoy your time, and
Yes.
I might catch you later. Yeah,
Yeah, thank you so much, ma'am. Yeah, next
bye.
time.